Welcome to M365 Professional. Drive workforce engagement and build a high-performance organization using Copilot for Microsoft 365 enhanced with Viva. Copilot surfaces useful insights and connects everyone with the information they need to do their best work. Let's see how Copilot's integrated chat experience helps employees grow. Managers develop their teams and leaders create healthy organizations. As a leader, you want to make sure your teams are focused on work that aligns with your business goals and priorities. When there's a change in strategy, leaders can chat with Copilot to understand employee sentiment and service ideas to help them succeed. Copilot also makes it easy to craft goals that align with new initiatives and generate suggestions. Managers can refine, share, and track with their teams in Viva. Sometimes new strategies require new skills. Copilot can help managers understand where their teams excel and offer ideas to help fill in any gaps. With Copilot curated learning collections available in Viva, employees can self-serve the resources they need to grow their skills and advance their careers, all in line with business priorities. From top to bottom and across the organization, Copilot for Microsoft 365 with Viva transforms the employee experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.